Hi family, welcome back to my channel where we talk about business, health, and spirituality. And if you're new here, please don't forget to like and subscribe so that you never miss anything. So today we are going to be adding on to our chakra series, and we're going to talk about the throat chakra and signs of when it may be blocked or unbalanced, and then we're going to talk about how you can heal. Okay, so one way you can know if your throat chakra is out of balance is if you are having trouble like expressing yourself. Is there something that you've been wanting to say to someone, but you're just like, I don't know if I should say it, or you don't know how to say it. If you're having trouble communicating to someone, something that you feel like you need to get off of your chest, then that's a sign that your throat chakra is unbalanced. All right, another way that you can tell if your throat chakra is blocked or unbalanced is if you're just having trouble expressing yourself, if you're having trouble speaking your truth, if you're scared of people judging you for you speaking your truth, then that's a sign that your throat chakra is unbalanced or blocked. Another way you can tell if your throat chakra is unbalanced or blocked is if you are over talking, like excessively talking to overcompensate for just feeling like insecure or like unworthy. Then that's another way that you can tell that your throat chakra is unbalanced or blocked. So I know for me, when my throat chakra is unbalanced or blocked, like it could be like a situation happened, maybe I got into like an argument with someone, or I was going to get into an argument with someone, or someone tried to argue with me, and I just kind of just let them say whatever, and I didn't say anything, and I just, when really I had a lot that I wanted to say, but I didn't say it because I didn't really know how to say it without it being confrontational. That's a sign when your throat chakra is blocked or unbalanced. So, when you're having trouble expressing yourself and saying what's on your mind, a good thing for you to do is to meditate, okay? Meditate on just being able to communicate better. Just clear your mind, and that'll help you to have like clearer words and clearer downloads to you, to come to you on how you can communicate with the person. Because once you meditate, then that opens up downloads for you to kind of really clear your mind and kind of relax and understand, and start being able to actually like relax and understand the type of communication that you should have with the person. Because like after you meditate, like things get more clear. Like for me, when I meditate and I don't know what to do on something, and then I meditate, it's like it comes to me clear. For instance, so if you don't understand like the person, or you don't know like how to communicate with something, communicate something to them, then meditate, and then more than likely you'll get to thinking about, okay, well, I know this person might get triggered if I say this, so not let me not say that. So then you'll just get more ideas on how to deal with the specific person to make sure that you're not triggering them. It'll kind of, meditation kind of helps you to think about things better and kind of like line things up, and it just helps with so much. To help unblock your throat chakra would be to journal. If there's something that you feel like you need to say and you feel like you can't say it, then write it out on paper. And more than likely, once you're writing it out and journaling about it, once you write it down, you'll be able to kind of understand on how you should deliver whatever it is that you want to tell whoever or whatever. So I highly recommend journaling and meditating. So some herbs that you can use to help to unblock your throat chakra would be chamomile. That's one. It's really good for communication. Chamomile will calm you down and help you to be able to communicate better. So some herbs that you can use to help to unblock your throat chakra would be chamomile. That's one. It's really good for communication. Chamomile will calm you down and help you to be able to communicate better. Peppermint is another good herb that you can use. It helps to like clear the throat. Peppermint has been known to help with that. It has been used in tea for centuries, just on with all kinds of benefits. But yeah, the peppermint will be really good. It helps to clear your throat, and it also can like help you with like expressing yourself in clarity. So that's another good herb that you can use also. Lavender is another good one because it's good with communication, and it's a great relaxing to like just relax and kind of think before you speak and help you with your communication and the flow of it. And yeah, it just helps you to channel communication. And licorice root is really good too because it can help you like and support you like with your speaking and just being able to help you to have more confidence with speaking your truth and not really caring about what anyone else thinks about it. You can put these herbs, you can use these herbs as a herbal tea. You can combine them all, or you can use it as like a aromatherapy. The herbs that I mentioned, they're are also essential oils that you can get. You can get a diffuser and you can use them in a diffuser. They also, some of the herbs that I named off may also be available in like an incense. I know for sure the sage and the lavender is. And so, yeah, you can use those as aromatherapy and just breathe in and out and breathe them in, and it's just going to make you feel so much better, and it's going to help you with your communication, and it's going to help you to clear out that throat chakra. So when it comes to your throat chakra and just, you know, trying to deliver messages to people, not knowing how without being confrontational, if it's like some negative energy going on, I recommend burning some sage because that smoke cleanse will get rid of all of the negative energy. It will clear it out. It will make you feel so good. It smells pretty good also, and it's just very relaxing and soothing. So some foods that I recommend to cleanse and clear out your throat chakra would be blueberries. Blueberries is really good. Apples is really good to clear out the throat chakra. Coconut water is really good too because it helps with your throat. It helps with the hydration of your throat. So that's going to help you to be able to speak more and better without having to like stop and do all that. And yeah, you'll just be able to get your point across and you won't have to stop because you're dehydrated. So yeah, coconut water hydrates you really. Blackberries are really good and they're beneficial for throat health also. And I really just recommend drinking a lot of water. A lot of water. You have to stay hydrated for your throat chakra to be activated and for it to be working correctly. So, for the foods, just make sure that you remain focusing on foods that are good for your throat health and that will hydrate you. Another thing you can do to keep your throat chakra balanced or to get it back in balance is wear shades of blue like aquamarine, navy blue, turquoise, sky blue. Just wear some blue, that'll help you out a lot. Another thing you can do to balance out the throat chakra is do throat chakra meditations. I've found that when you are aiming for a specific chakra, doing the exact like meditations for it and like yoga for it will really help you and clear it out. They have throat chakra meditations. They also have throat chakra yoga that you can do, and you can find these on YouTube. So just look them up. They work. Now, some exercises that you can do to help balance out that throat chakra is going to be like neck exercises, like, you know, kind of working your neck. That always helps. That feels really good. Chanting and singing is also going to help unblock that throat chakra. And if you do breathing exercises, that's going to help. And that also helps when you're doing the yoga. Also, chanting affirmations is going to be a really good one to help clear out the throat chakra. Okay, so now I'm going to give you guys some throat chakra affirmations that you can use. Okay, I express myself with truth and clarity and confidence. I communicate openly and authentically. My voice is strong and my words have powerful purpose. Okay, so if you're having trouble with your throat chakra being blocked, then these are going to help you to clear them, and I recommend you saying them every day. All right, you guys, thank you so much for visiting my channel. If you're visiting, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. And if you are one of my regulars, I love you guys so much. I love everybody. Remember to always act out of love, and remember to share the wealth, increase the peace, because there is enough money out here for everybody to eat. Also, make sure that you share this video, and yeah, if you're not already subscribed, subscribe so that you never miss anything. I love you guys, and I will see you soon with another one.